As the summer quickly approaches, arguably the biggest sporting event of the year draws near as well, the 2024 Summer Olympics in Paris. And the Canadian men's basketball team are looking to take home some hardware, as after almost a century of disappointment on the global stage, they finally have a chance to claim a spot on the podium, a feat in which they have only accomplished once in Olympic history.
A silver medal in the 1936 Olympics in Berlin was the best finish Canada has ever had. And in the 88 years since that podium finish, Team Canada has only appeared in Olympic basketball competition 9 times, finishing 4th and just outside the podium in both the 1976 Olympics in Montreal and the 1984 Olympics in Los Angeles. Despite being the inventors of the sport itself, over the last century, Canada has always been one of the weaker countries when it comes to basketball, struggling to find any real success on the global stage in both the FIBA World Cup and the Olympics. But now, things are different. Canada is ranked 7th in the latest FIBA World Rankings and has enough talent to compete with the best teams around the world. They proved it too at the 2023 FIBA World Cup, defeating the likes of former #1 team in the world Spain, blowing out consistently strong teams in France and Latvia, as well as defeating Team USA to snatch the bronze medal and a podium finish. But most importantly, they managed to qualify for the 2024 Summer Olympics in Paris. Now, as we look ahead to the games in Paris, there's a lot of optimism that this could be the year the men can claim their first ever gold medal, as the team is expected to be filled with NBA talent from head to toe, a luxury that Team Canada has never had until now. With the player pool consisting of MVP candidate Shai Gilgeous-Alexander, NBA champion Jamal Murray, former All-Star Andrew Wiggins, proven NBA vets like Kelly Olynyk and Dillon Brooks, as well as a handful of young talent, the mix of top-tier talent, experienced vets, and young rising stars will give this team a distinct advantage amongst their peers, with the main question being, can they adapt to the FIBA game and play for each other rather than themselves? But if the FIBA World Cup was any indication of what's to come, then there won't be much to worry about.
Canada has slowly risen to a basketball powerhouse of a country and are in prime position to claim their first ever gold medal. But the road isn't going to be easy. It's going to take teamwork, perseverance, the occasional star performances, and maybe a little bit of luck along the way. The 2024 Summer Olympics in Paris will be Canada's chance to reach the top of the podium and stamp their name in the history books. This is Jacques Leung for True North.